Hi guy, I try to asking Alexa the weather in Florida. Let's post the button this guy. What's the weather in Florida? I need to post this.
You gotta press and hold of it.
What's the weather in Florida?
All right, look up.
In Tallahassee, Florida, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
Amazing guy, the answer my
You can look for
question.
showers with a high of 80 degrees and a low of 67 degrees.
How about in Jackson, Florida?
Currently, in Jackson, Florida, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit with
Wow,
cloudy skies.
amazing day.
Today, you can expect showers with a high of 80 degrees and a low of
Amazing
67
guy.
degrees.
The answer my question. What time now in Philippines? What time now in the Philippines? Ay. I'm wrong. What time now in the Philippines?
Look up. No.
Next. Pause. What time now in Philippines?
No.
I'm wrong.
You have to ask it, what time is it in Manila, Philippines?
Go. What time is it now in Manila, Philippines?
Pick it. What time is it currently in Manila, Philippines?
They take a break because you asking lot eh. What time now in the Philippines?
In Philippines, it's 12:41 a.m.
Ang galing. What is the weather in Baguio, Philippines?
In Baguio, Philippines, it's 62 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can look for clouds with a chance of showers, with a high of 77 degrees and a low of 59 degrees.
Wow. So amazing guy. How long continue the rain in Myrtle Beach?
In Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, it's raining right now.
Rainier. Rainy.
Yeah, I know it's raining, but
Very windy. I'm thinking to walk in the yard. The weather now is very nice, 75. That's very windy. Windy man. Wow, so very windy. Look. The trees dancing. Oh, oh wow. Very windy. Wow. Very windy guys. Alright. I need to hold my hat because so very windy. Very windy. But weather so nice. 75. But in Florida is 84. Ay, 87, 84. Something like that. I asked Alexa, what's the weather in Florida? Hi guys, and good morning everyone. Unboxing tayo guys. We order shoulder bagay and set of jewelry from Amazon Prime. This is our first order of this year guys. And let's unboxing guys. I'm so excited of this. Oh, wow. Very nice. Hopefully uh, what is called that? The bagay is fit. My phone is fit. Hopefully. How to open this? Shoulder bag siya, guys. Together with set of jewelry. And we pay this guy $24. It's not bad for a passion. Do passion. Let's see. Hopefully, our phone is fit over here. Let's open. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's big. Look at that guy. Very nice. Yeah. Wow, amazing guy. And where is the jewelry? Maybe the jewelry is inside, guy. Let's open. I'm excited. It's very nice and beautiful. Yeah, nice. This is rose gold, guys, because I use this to my niece's wedding. Oh, wow. So amazing. So beautiful. Look at that. I'm so impressed this. So, look. You can do like that. Or, open, guy. Look at that. Inside. Lit inside, guy. Yeah, the jewelry here inside. That's the jewelry. Is this? Yeah. This is the ano, the what is called that? What is called this? The shoulder bag. If you use the shoulder bag like this, guy, I don't know what is called this. You can use that over here. Eh? We need to do over here. Open inside, guy. I show you inside. Yeah, I have a pocket over here. Yeah, I like this because my phone is. And have ano, guy. You have attached the string right here. Try to attach the string. Where is that? Yeah. You attach the string over here. Difficult man, guy. Yeah. I try to attach the string right here. I need to attach the string. Yeah. Attach the other side. I'm thinking to make my nails, ano, guy, low my nails and use. Right, guy. Oh, so beautiful. You can do like that. Nice. Oh, beautiful, guy. And next, I show you guys the ano. This is the jewelry, guy. With jewelry. Let's see, guys, the jewelry. I try to wear the jewelry, guy, ha. Very nice. I like this. Huh? Look at that. The colors are very nice. I try, guy. minutes. Hmm. Mhm. Difficult to po. I think we put me too much. And this is the earrings kayo. Try to the earrings. Huh? Ay, wala. Try to the earrings. This is the earrings. Ang ganda ng earrings kayo. This is good for passion. Very nice guy. I try the earrings. Huh? Oh. Sometimes if you put your okay. And next, this is the ano. Open this okay. Very nice. And this is ano guys, $24. How much in peso guys? Times 59. Usually more than ano. Wow, so beautiful. At least I have like this. Hmm? And then look. The ring that's fine because guy, you can ano, adjustable siya. Put over. Oh? Wow. Nice. It's good. I forgot. I think this is 7. 7 over here. Nice. Look at that man. Look at me. Very nice. Right? And this one, and put over here. Because my wedding ring over here. Very nice. Happy guys. And that's it guys. So beautiful. Magwalis ako niyan gayo. What that? That good. Magwalis tayo. Dami dahon gayo. Bumalik. Hulihak yata yan yun. Nag-grow na. Very windy. We bought this glove guy. Very expensive. I know. This glove from the Philippines guy. Only $1. Sana bumili ako ng madami guy. Kasi this one in here I saw this in the store like $7. Buti pa bumili ako ng marami. Yan. $1 lang to guys. Sa Pilipinas ko to binili. We bought this in the Philippines. Very nice. Rainy to gini guys. And then very windy. I'm done picking up the branches all down. Nako. I'm thinking to clean up tomorrow, but I think not because the leaves is wet. Grocery time, guys, from Walmart. Ayan, guys. Laundry soap. Ultra this liquid and milk, cheese, double sauce, biscuit, block of cheese, butter, butter cookies, biscuit, Yakult, ground beef, salad, release, bacon, banana, hot dog, onion, this one chicken, and shrimp, and this one bread and the water guys over there. And how much is guys? 101.12 times 59, 5,951. Imagine mo guys, 1 week lang yan guys.